Plot of all this territory is 1,705 square meters. Hi guys, I'm Yulia, EStyle real estate agency, and today we're touring this hidden away, chic, exclusive villa, which is located in Las Colinas. Las Colinas is an 18-hole championship course with a full range of amenities, a driving range, a golf academy, and a putting green. Let's see the area. There is a sports and health club for those who like to stay active. And also this is a unique place. It's one of the top 100 courses in Europe. And now let's go see the villa. And finally we're here. Look at this massive car park, maybe for 3 or 4 cars. And this is a main entrance. Come. It is located in secluded neighborhood. It's extremely private, like really private, isolated. There is a very nice fruit garden here. And also, while we enter, on my left hand there is a swimming pool. And this is a chill out zone. And what I really like at the swimming pool, here is you have a deep level, and here you have a level for children. And look at this. This is a very nice table with a small kitchen and with a barbecue place. And also look at the shower. You take shower and you have all the nature surrounded. There is a sauna here. And also after sauna you can jump right into the jacuzzi. I don't know the temperature of the water, but I think it's very nice. And let's see the garden. Plot of all this territory is 1,705 square meters. It's huge. And you can park your cars there, or you can just go straight into the garage. And as I walk between these beautiful trees, we go to the main entrance. So here we are. This villa is exclusive, luxurious, chic and very modern. Let's go and see the living room with the kitchen. And this villa has alarm system, solar panels, and also heated floors. And look at these beautiful French windows. You have a spectacular, fabulous view. And this sofa, I guess it's very comfortable, with a big, massive TV screen and these beautiful little ornaments and coffee table. Very nice. And we are moving to the dining table, and I love these lamps. It's just so beautiful. And also this island where you can cook. It's a very nice worktop, and the kitchen is fully equipped with everything you need. The villa features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms. We have a staircase to the basement and office downstairs, but first let's see the bedroom. There is 1 bedroom, and it's a guest bedroom, and this is together with a shower. Let's see the bedroom. It has conditioner, and look at this again, the French window, and well lit. It's quite spacious and built-in wardrobe, which is very important. All right, and all these lamps and queen-size bed. Let's go see another bedroom. The villa is sold with all the pictures, and it is 336 square meters, so it's very massive and huge. This is another bedroom with ensuite bathroom this time, and also look at this beautiful garden view with the French windows, and you wake up and you see the lemon tree like in the sun. And let's go see the master's bedroom. And while we're walking to the master's bedroom, look at this window. I really like it. So you can actually see who is coming. And this is a master bedroom. You have a lot of light, and you have 2 French windows, a king-size bed, well lit, with a built-in wardrobe and ensuite bathroom, and it's very private. A beautiful rug just while we're walking, And here you have a bathtub and a shower, again with a beautiful window. And as we walk down the staircase, we pass through this beautiful wooden wall with a beautiful picture. And also we have another window from where we can see all the landscape. And there are a lot of windows, a lot of light, guys. And here, as we go down, we find ourselves in a garage. So basically, you can park otherwise outside, or you can leave your car here. So let's close. And on my left hand, there is a special room for your clothes where you can do all the washing, all the drying, everything. And there is a small little fridge here also. And the owner leaves everything except his personal belongings, such as this guy. All right, let's see the office. This is an office right now, at the moment. But you can do anything here. Maybe an extra room, or maybe a playroom, anything you want. And I love these ornaments. It's just so beautiful and stylish. And look at this map. You can actually point where you have been. It is unique. And we enter another bedroom. It is also ensuite bathroom with an inbuilt wardrobe. And here it is. It gives you very warm and pleasant feeling while you're here with a big TV screen. All right. So guys, to sum up, the cost of this exclusive chic villa is 1,695,000 euros. It features 4 bedrooms, 4 bathrooms, exterior fireplace, sauna, Finnish sauna, private swimming pool, jacuzzi, a huge garden, and it is in private, isolated, secluded neighborhood. And subscribe to our channel and see you in the next videos. Bye!